Let's talk travel accessories. It's really important to travel light when you are on a big trip, either abroad or if you're just traveling right here in the US. And both Sarah and I have go-to accessories that we like to bring when we are traveling that will add to our outfits, but not take up a lot of space. So, what are some of your favorites, Sarah?
So what I really like is a simple necklace because it can be your day and evening necklace and just a simple kind of like gold bracelet. I don't ever really bring any rings inside of my wedding ring, and because it just can be lost and or stolen, so nothing that is of a big value for you.
Yeah, so costume jewelry and also just really lightweight costume jewelry. I picked this little necklace up. It's super lightweight, but it does have a little pop to it. I picked this up when we were traveling in France, and it's really fun to be able to wear that when we're traveling. Another accessory that I really like to bring is scarves. So this scarf, I've had this probably for 12 years at least, but it is so lightweight, it's huge, but it isn't going to take up any space at all in your suitcase, but it actually can provide warmth, even though it's so thin. And if you need to cover your shoulders, if you're going into a faith institution, that's often the case. They want you to not have bare shoulders. You can just pull this out of your bag and throw it over your shoulders. Even if it's really hot out, it won't, be stifling. So a scarf, sometimes I'll throw in just a little silk scarf too, because that'll dress up an outfit. Again, takes up no space, but will add immediate elevation to your outfit. And then a bandana can be fun too, a little more casual. Also, if it's super hot, you can use it as a handkerchief or whatever. So it's really helpful just to have an assortment of these to choose from when you're traveling.
I want to talk about these bags as well. So these are great. First of all, you can buy them over there on your travels, and it's easy to just throw your accessories in, wallet, whatever else, your phone, keys, and also it's great like if you're traveling to like a beach destination, you can use it like you can just put beach towels, swimsuit inside, and like slippers, and you're ready to go.
And then also it can be fun to throw in, this is Sarah's really adorable little purse. Again, very small, but it will elevate the outfit to, taking up no space in your suitcase, but you use this if you're going out to a nice dinner or if you're just wanting to look a little more polished. And it does have a crossbody strap, so you can put it across yourself as well for safety. So, and last but not least, very important to have your shades because it just really makes the experience in the sunshine a lot better and you look stylish while you're traveling.